Number 11. Tomato fruit production was measured in 5 different environmental conditions. What is the correct conclusion for the data shown in the graph? So, looks like tomato fruit production is increasing as the environmental conditions change. Starting from the open field, it goes to unheated glass house, and then tomato fruit production of the heated glass house is shown as well. The heated glass house with carbon dioxide gas supplied in excess shows quite a bit of tomato fruit production. But the highest one is from the heated glass house with an artificial light source and with carbon dioxide gas supplied in excess. Okay, so let's have a look at the options. A, there are no limiting factors in 1, so tomato fruit production is the lowest. Really, is there no limiting factors in 1? Or it's an open field with no there's no light, of course. There's no carbon dioxide supplied in excess, and there's no measurement of temperature. So all of these affect the photosynthesis of the tomato fruit. And limiting factors, the definition of the limiting factors is that they're the factors that are not present in abundance. Okay? So, can we say that there's no limiting factor in open field? No. It's just that it's not mentioned here. The open field might have light, CO2, or temperature as the limiting factor. It's just not mentioned in this part only. Number B, temperature is the limiting factor in 3. Nope, it says it heated. So it's not, this factor, temperature, is not present in abundance. The temperature here is abundant. Okay, so both A and B are not the answers. Carbon dioxide is the limiting factor in all 5 environmental conditions. No, you can see carbon dioxide in here and here as well. So they're not acting as limiting factors. D, light is the limiting factor in 4. Yes, 4 has temperature measured, and it does have carbon dioxide supplied. So the light is not abundant in 4, and it is in the definition of the limiting factor. So the answer for this question is D. Okay? Cool. Hey, thanks guys.